How to extract gold in mobile phone SIM card with toilet cleaner. Are you struggling to get your gold out of your old mobile phone SIM cards? Watch this video and learn how to extract gold from mobile phone SIM cards using a toilet cleaner. In this video, we're going to show you how to extract gold from a mobile phone SIM card using toilet cleaner. This is an easy and affordable way to get a little bit of gold out of your old mobile phone SIM card. First, collect as many of your SIM cards as possible and separate the plastic part from the SIM card. Use toilet cleaner must contain hydrochloric acid. If you have lab-grade hydrochloric acid, by all means use it. Can be found at Home Depot, most home improvement stores, and plumbing supply stores. Hazardous: do not ingest or get in eyes and mucous membranes. Put the toilet cleaner into the beaker, then insert the SIM card. The ratio requires toilet cleaner about 3 times the amount of mobile phone SIM card because there is not much hydrochloric acid in the mixture of 15% of the toilet cleaner. At this point, all you have to do is wait for the gold foil to come off your SIM card. When you see the gold foil floating around, wait another day to make sure the gold foil is completely removed from the SIM card. This process takes 5 to 10 days. Due to the small amount of gold in each mobile phone SIM card, it's not economically feasible to recover the gold from a single SIM card or a small number of SIM card. To make the process economically viable, large quantities of SIM card would need to be processed, which would also require specialized equipment and expertise. Furthermore, the amount of gold in a SIM card is extremely small and not worth the risk of exposing yourself to a hazardous chemical. Additionally, the process of extracting gold from a SIM card using toilet cleaner could damage the SIM card, rendering it unusable. If you're interested in extracting gold, I would recommend finding a safer and more reliable method, such as using a gold refining kit or selling your old electronic devices to a recycling center that specializes in processing electronic waste. Today, I used 1,000 mobile phone SIM cards bought from eBay for $120, including shipping, in making this video clip. In this step, you will need to separate the plastic from the gold foil fell off the mobile phone SIM card by the plastic grid. Then remove the gold foil from the toilet cleaner with a cloth filter or coffee filter. In actual practice, I had to do this twice because I used too little toilet cleaner, and the gold plated on the SIM card wouldn't come off completely due to the acid saturation. After this chemical process, you will get low-purity gold scraps. Because the gold used for plating may not use all 99% gold, we need to refine the low percentage of gold. To achieve greater than 99% purity can be achieved using Aqua Regia gold refining. Aqua regia is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid at a ratio of either 3:1 or 4:1. It is a reddish-orange or yellowish-orange fuming liquid. Using sodium metabisulfite, I managed to get the gold settle as sediment at the bottom of the aqua regia solution. I slowly poured the sodium metabisulfite in until reaching saturation level, or until the sodium metabisulfite stopped dissolving. At this point, the brown sediment of gold could be seen. Then clean the obtained gold sediment mud. Dry the gold sediment mud and melt it. You will receive a small piece of gold. You are very rich now. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video clip. Enjoy.